Imagine a world where the rain isn't water, but molten iron. This is WASP-76b, an exoplanet located around 640 light-years away. It's a gas giant so close to its star that one side reaches temperatures of over 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit. On the scorching side of WASP-76b, iron vaporizes into the air. But as fierce winds carry it to the cooler, dark side of the planet, the iron condenses and falls as searing droplets of molten metal. Just imagine, an endless storm of molten iron. It's a planet where the rain can burn hotter than any weather we've seen on Earth. The universe is filled with extreme fiery worlds like WASP-76b. Want to explore more alien planets? Subscribe to Space Talk and uncover the mysteries of the cosmos.